Hi Miss Clan, what kind of style do you like today?
Hi everyone, I would like to look like Jessica Alba.
Miss Clan, Jessica Alba is Angmo.
Why? Asian cannot look like Angmo meh?
But Miss Clan, your eyelids are not deep set like Jessica Alba.
Ooh, then make it happen.
Okay, sure. Miss Clan, just relax your face. I will try to make you look like Jessica Alba, okay?
Ooh.
This is the primer, people. You need to prime your face and your lips. Neutral eyeshadow. Here I put on some shimmer. Let's put on some neutral eyeshadow under the eye to make it look bigger. Bling, flare. I added some gold shimmer to make it look pretty. I use eyelid glue to lift up the eyelids. Don't worry, Miss Clem, I am not poking your eye and making you blind. This can get pretty tricky because using the eyelid glue can make the eyelids look messy. And if you're not familiar, it can fail. Because Miss Clem has single lids, I need to draw a really thick eyeliner. Falsies will really help to push up the eyelid further, making the crease look deeper. Angmo has really deep set 3D features, so I am making Miss Clem's features pop. You can use your fingers to smudge the lip color so that it looks soft and kissable.
Miss Clem, how do you like your makeover, Miss Clem? Hi everyone. Would you like to go on date with me? Hi. This is Singapore Jessica Alba. Alba.
Miss Clem, do you like a makeover?
Awesome. I look so gorgeous. You like me?
Okay, stop. I hope we make you smile. Do like my social medias.